Hello everyone, this is my Emerson Electric 77646 AO 12-inch 3-speed overlapping blade oscillating fan. Now this might look like the Ivory Emerson I just showed recently, but this one is different in that this example is finished in Wrinkle ivory rather than the more common smooth ivory. This fan was made in 1948 and it was only made for that 1 year, so this is an extremely rare fan. And it's the only one in existence that I know of at this moment. I have never seen another example. Now this fan is all original. All that I have done is clean and service it, and the fan has fresh wiring as well. Now the paint is a little bit rough with some bare spots on the rear bullet and around the handle, but overall the finish has survived the test of time amazingly well. So let's have a closer look at it. Okay, and what we'll now do is give a brief demonstration of this fan running. So we'll start off on low. And we'll dial in a little more oscillation. And we'll bring it up to medium speed now. And we'll bring it up to high speed. we'll shut the fan off. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video of this rather rare and unique fan. We will have more to come. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Later.